Well, today I did something I never do that I always should do, and it's stop for a sandwich. And I'm really glad I did, because not only did I get a sandwich, but I finally stumbled upon Uncle Funky's thrift shop. It looks completely up my alley. Well, that ended up being an experience just for me. It was pretty intimate in there. It was a lot of clothes, a lot of my style. But alas, it's time to get back to the purpose, which is finding stuff to sell in my Etsy shop. And I have just arrived somewhere I don't normally go when I come here, Adams. It's huge. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm kind of going straight towards the holiday booth. Funky Santa Claus. Good grief. Look at how freaking cool this thing is. That is a really spectacular set of lamps. All right, I've made it to like the holiday booth section that I was looking for. Ah, look at this guy. $34. That's a really fair price. Let's see what else they got. This is a fabulous stuffed rabbit. Oh my gosh. How sweet. 19. That's a really fair price too. It looks like a My Toy variation with those eyes. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. 10-inch blow mold poodle. Oh my god. And the Santa. That is so cute. Ah. It's all really reasonably priced too. This nook in here is kind of my kryptonite. Oh, so cute. I'm looking for something that really stands out. Oh, look at this guy. Oh my gosh. How fabulous. He's $39. I've seen this one before, but it was all cracked up. I wonder... Oh, you know what? He's got a crack in his face, too, for $39. I can't mess with that. That's a shame. Here's a vintage rubber face Santa. $56 is pretty close to what I get for these after fees. All right, let's see what else we got in here. Santa candle holder. All these fun little ceramics. These are those new ones. Gosh, it's really loud in here. Here's another rubber face Santa. This one's newer. I've gotten some pretty great Holt Howard sets from this case. Left in the snowman mug. The angels. So I didn't find anything in the holiday booth, unfortunately. I'm kind of running through right quick just to make sure there's not anything really obvious I'm missing. But I think I'm going to get out of here and go down the street. There's just a couple more booths I like to check. I'm not going to go through this whole doll booth, but every once in a while I find something really spectacular in here. Ah, look at this chalkware Cupid. It's a Rose O'Neil too, for display only. There you go. And I love this nook. It's really packed in here. I like that style. I just remembered why I stopped coming here too. Last time I was here, the lady at the counter overcharged me and was so rude about it that it was so much to turn me off that I have not even thought about coming back since until now. But I'm kind of hoping I don't find anything, because I just don't even feel like dealing with checking out here after that. Just gonna look over here. All right, nothing. Yeah, let me get out of here. This is a really fun place, but you know, I know a lot of my friends have luck here. I just am not one of them. I'm about halfway through my shopping trip, and I'm gonna do a quick run through Heritage. I want to make sure to get to 3 more spots at least before I head back on the road. I'm really happy with where my timing's at right now. It's about 2:30. I just had a sandwich. I feel great. Let's go. Oh, I love that Santa candy container. I've been pretty good about cases so far. I'm kind of trying to avoid them unless really necessary, like That freaking Santa Claus boot planter is adorable. And why is this pixie only $10? That's a really good deal. I might actually have to get in here. Like the Little Red Riding Hood match safe. That one's $85. Yeah, that pixie's a really good price. And then I see a Holt Howard winking Santa. Unfortunately, its eye is like almost completely missing. All right, let's look at these little dream pets. They all look pretty close to retail. Oh my gosh, look at this pose doll. How fabulous is she? $34. I love that she's in the original box and her houndstooth coat. She is spectacular. Unfortunately, that's about what I'd get for that after fees. So many fun knickknacks. What is this? Is this a little old stocking? Oh my gosh, how sweet is that? $24. And then we've got a Christ bank, as is. I'm not gonna mess with anything as is. What are these? Are these Japan tops? Cute. I love all the little trinkets and knickknacks. Pretty much everything in this case is right around what I'd get for it after fees. Or oh, so cute. I can't believe those are in the original packaging, although it looks like it's been opened and closed. Whoa, look at this. That's kind of wild. $100. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this vanity set. Look at that. That is too pretty. $85. Well, I did end up picking up a couple items out of the case. I didn't get to showcase them because it's a little hectic in here, which is surprising. It is a Monday. It's cute, but it's $20. Oh my gosh, look at this. That is so wild. What I was gonna say is I'm gonna showcase items I got in the case when I do an unboxing video. Here's another pose doll. She is fabulous. 45, 30% off. I love her little dog. And I love the little fuzzy Christmas girl. 18. That's about retail on that. I have one similar in my shop right now. Oh my gosh, that startled me. Look at this. Wow. The Santa knee hugger is what really interests me, honestly. Oh, it's really pretty. It's a nice mirror. This dancer figurine is kind of fabulous too. 28. What a fun pen holder. $8. That's really fair. This is a really cool piece. Made in Hong Kong. I kind of want this. And look, they have a frog one. He's pretty fabulous too. He's got googly eyes. Well, these are quite spectacular. These new old stockings with the gifts in them, the little gag gifts. Those are really fun. Burger Bank. It's got some chips though. And then these Santa Claus face dishes. Wait, they're only $1? Why is it only $1? Ah! Well, for $1 each, I have to pick them up. Let's see what else they've got here. Little snowman. That one's $15. This did say $1, didn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna take both these. I really like the little miniature stockings too, $15. And this little Santa ornament, he's pretty adorable. $5, does that say? Yeah, I can't really figure out the method of the pricing here. That's a really good price. His stripe's a little messed up, but still, I should get that, but... And then this is $20. Yeah, very confusing. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. That is wild. And then the Commodore Japan candle holders. They're kind of common. They got a little damage, $30. This is a fair retail price, but I can't really do anything with that. I couldn't help but notice the Holt Howard Santa Express planter. $50 though. It's not that exciting. What is this chicken thing? It's like a weird rooster bank. How fabulous. I don't know why. I was just ready to move on. Unfortunately, I didn't get to showcase the couple things I bought before the Santa Claus dishes. In there, I spent $18. So my total for the day so far is 98 bucks. I will do a haul video where I show the little nurse figurine as well as the angel figurine I bought that I did not show. And now I'm down the road. I have 3 more stops left I'd like to make. Oh my gosh, look at this funny little doll head. I kind of love that. These dolls are so pretty. Ooh. Oh my god, what is that? It's like a shrunken head or something. Very strange. Another doll head. $8. Kind of doll headed out right now. So much weirdness. I love it. Charlie McCarthy. And I love that old teddy bear. Well, that's definitely something you don't see every day. Ooh, I'm really into this green lumberjack. It's vintage too. It's probably expensive. It's really nice. 50 bucks. Yes, this is one of my favorite vendors ever, ever, ever. Like, look at those monster things. How fabulous are they? And this robe thing I'm in love with the marabou feathers. But also these. I love these. Hey, look, there's another one of those rotating ashtrays. That's really fun. I love the orange. If my black one had sold, the 8-ball I got in Richmond yet, I would probably buy that, honestly, because I just love the style of that. And of course, watch now, of course it's gonna sell as soon as I leave here. That's usually what happens. Just my luck. Super into this like Cookie Monster sweater situation. Lots of Santas, but this is what really caught my eye. That is neat. It's got the box too. It's like a whale jaw, but also this Howdy Doody doll. That's what really caught my eye with the composition head. That is incredible. Even with the damage, I feel like $40 is a really fair price for that. That's probably super rare. I have to check out this lamp. I'm in love. This brass, I believe it's Turkish, works. Wow, that is so pretty. This little girl with the dog. Oh, it's a boy and girl. Cute. Wait, what are these eggplants? How weird. I kind of love them. I think they're pin cushions, maybe. I would say I can't afford anything in this booth, but I bought an insanely expensive painting here once. This is fantastic. I already can tell you it's not coming home with me for that price, but it is absolutely something to be admired. Also, this guy, oh my gosh, I'm scared to touch. Well, that's, oh, I was gonna say $2.95, not $29. That's more like it. How fabulous is this guy? This is an old store display. $175. That actually doesn't seem outrageous. Oh, look at this. I was looking at the Buster Brown, but this girl with the Santa mask is what really caught my eye, and that's only $2.90. I know I say only because she's got like a broken boot, but that is really neat, and it's definitely not something you're gonna find again. I love these dolls too. I think they're so funny. $68. And then the cat, that's really expensive. I just love, look at this little bunny girl. I'm kind of scared to turn her over. Knickerbocker. I don't see a price on her, but I'm sure it's out of my league. No Zippy, that's a fun one. I love the Hula Girls. This is a little newer than I'd like. Look at these fruit people. How fantastic. Oh, yeah, this is like, if I was rich, I probably would just come here and keep it. So many amazing things. That doll is fantastic. Oh, look at this little angel on the dingly bopper cord. So cute. Wow, this is quite spectacular, and it lights up. Giant rat face thing. Love the fuzzy record holder. And that mirror with the brushes behind it. Look at these cute little snowmen. Oh my gosh, how sweet are they? 2 snowmen, $10. I kind of want to get them. They're so sweet. And then they got the Santa Clauses. I was like strangely drawn to this Dracula picture. It's really interesting. Okay, but also I cannot ignore this. That is so funny. Doll parts. A little Remco doll. $8. Feels like a really good price. Yeah, the little, I think it's Heidi if I'm not mistaken. This is what really caught my eye though. This is absolutely beautiful. This religious piece. 22 is a little too close for me. Oh, it's a cat hanger. How fabulous. And this weird doll thing, that is really different. So this is the person who owns that thrift store I went to that I didn't film. It made sense when I got there. I was like, a lot of this stuff looks like this booth I buy a bunch of stuff for myself in, and sure enough, it was. Oh my gosh, I love this. How fabulous. And what's this? This is just, it's like a top, I guess. Fun. They always have a great assortment of holiday hankies in here. I always go through the Valentine's Day and Christmas. Very cute. I like this one with all the hearts on it. It's only $4 too. That's a great price. Is there any with Santa on it? Or just poinsettias? Looks like just poinsettias. This piece of pottery really caught my eye. This is really interesting. It's $45. It's really heavy. It would cost a lot to ship it. I'm unfamiliar with it, but I really like the look of that. Okay, but also look at this fabulous dress. Gigi dress. No way I'm getting into this, but I had to admire this dress. That is absolutely fabulous. I have one like this. That's really fun too. What is this orange polka dot one? Oh, that is so cute. This is a fun blouse too. Really like this. It's got a little wear on it for me, even though it's vintage. I'm kind of picky about that.